Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Tonight you join us in York. As you've just seen, that was the York Minster. Not cathedral, you get wrong for calling it a cathedral. Even though it's pretty much the same thing. Anywho, we're here because the Christmas markets are on, Christmas decorations are on. So yeah, we're here to see all the Christmassy things and spend an absolute fortune on things that aren't worth a fortune. Even though I've been to York millions of times, it just always reminds me of like a theme park, as in like, it's not real. It looks fairy tale like, doesn't it? It really does. Just fancy a good crepe. You can't come to York without having to walk down Shambles. So this is the Shambles. How unreal does this look?
We're going to go straight to Northern Room, see how we go. Alright, cheers mate, see you later.
Now I know I say this every time I take you down the Shambles. This was the inspiration for Diagon Alley. So what you find is lots of shops that are Harry Potter inspired. Like this one, the Potions Cauldron. So we're at the Christmas market now. As you can see, it's all little huts going all the way down, and it's on both sides. So let's have a look what we can see. Oh, there's unflavoured butter. Ooh, real pork scratchings. Lots of fudges. Could do with a warm hat today. Wow, they're cool. Fooled you, just a poster. Go start work.
I like the pork scratchings round here.
I like the pork scratching around here, and look at them pies. Surprised they haven't sold out because it's freezing. This is my type of stall. Cheeses. Obviously must be good because they're nearly sold out. Wow. More cheese. Look at these. Macarons, I love these things. The Pud Shop. Now this stall has a huge line, look at that. What is it? It's got to be something good. Ah, steak. That's why. Chicken loaded frites and real Canadian poutine. Huh.
Yeah. We have no idea what we want. You have to have ingredients.
Crisp one like that. What does this one sell? I don't know. What do you reckon? It's not a Christmas market without a bit of mulled wine, like. Ooh, another fudge. But that looks like that cheap fudge that you get on the fairs, you know, like the shows and that. And it's a big bar and they chop it all down and charge you an absolute fortune for it. That's the same stuff. It's not artisan fudge, factory fudge. Apparently Beth bakes cakes. That's what the sign says. Well, this is a bright stall. It's very Christmassy. Baubles.
They're really pretty.
Aren't they pretty? Another mulled wine and hot chocolate.
Wait.
Chili jam. From the Chili Jam Man. There's even a shop to buy gaze. That's a pretty stall. And it's booze. And more mulled wine. Well, this is the food section up here. We'll have to have a go around there in a minute. I remember this trolley stall from last year. That is actually animatronic. You put 20 pence in it and it starts moving and growling and doing all that good stuff. Customised Lego figures. Simpsons.
I'll put one of them back.
What did you get?
Chocolate Circus. Wow. Some canny chocolate drinks coming out there and desserts. The famous stacked hot chocolate. Look at that. I think I'll be getting one of them after I've had something to eat. It smells lush around here. And Emma's looking at coasters. Ooh.
Cheers, Tess.
Oh.
Isle of tea. Here's a busy stall. Parmesan cheese wheel pasta. Well, they make your pasta and then they put it in the cheese wheel and roll it around to get the cheesy sauce. Feeling a little horny around here. The power of TikTok. This line right here is for the TikTok famous apple crumbles. There you go. So you get a pot, they put the apple in the bottom, the crumble on top, and then the custard on top of that. So yeah, that's the power of TikTok. It went viral and now they're making an absolute fortune. Well, I had to get myself some authentic cannolis. What do they say in the film? Bring the cannolis, leave the gun. So it's 7 o'clock and it looks like the markets are closing up. A lot earlier than I thought, because Christmas markets tend to go on a bit later till like 9, 10 o'clock. But it seems 7 o'clock is the time for the York market. Dang. So there you go, York Christmas market 2025. We'll not have time to come back to this one, but the next one we'll go to will be the one in Newcastle, which we'll go to over the next couple of days. And that one closes later than this one. 7 o'clock's a bit early for a Christmas market. Anywho, do not forget to subscribe, hit like, comment, share, do all that good stuff. See if you can get me as famous as a friggin' apple crumble in a pot. Anywho, see you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job and eat cannolis.